Alright guys, so I just got my hands on this beast, the Samsung 75-inch QN800C Neo QLED 8K TV, and let me tell you, it's pretty insane. First off, the picture is just breathtaking. We're talking 8K resolution here, people. Samsung calls it Quantum Matrix Pro with mini LEDs, and it's basically a ton of tiny lights working together to create this incredibly detailed and vibrant image. Like you can see every single blade of grass, every strand of hair. It's ridiculous. And the colors? Forget about it. They're so rich and lifelike thanks to the quantum dot technology, which gives you 100% color volume. It's like looking out a window, seriously. Then there's the Neo Quantum HDR 8K Pro. This thing takes brightness and contrast to a whole new level. The blacks are deep, the whites are bright, and everything in between is perfectly balanced. Even in dark scenes, you can see all the details, which is amazing. And don't even get me started on the viewing angles. Usually, with larger TVs, the picture quality drops off if you're not sitting directly in front, but not with this one. The ultra viewing angle tech means everyone gets a great view, no matter where they're sitting. But it's not just about the picture. The sound on this TV is also top-notch. It has Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus, which basically means the sound moves with the action on screen. If a car drives by from left to right, you'll actually hear it moving across the room. It's super immersive. And if you pair it with a compatible Samsung soundbar using Q Symphony 3.0, it creates this incredible, orchestrated sound experience. It's like having a home theater system built right into your TV. Now, let's talk about design. This TV is ridiculously thin. Samsung calls it the Infinity One design, and it really does look like it goes on forever. And the Slim One Connect box is a game changer. It keeps all your cables organized and out of sight, so you don't have a messy tangle of wires hanging down. It's the little things, you know. The Neural Quantum Processor 8K is the brains behind this whole operation. It optimizes everything from picture quality to sound performance to make sure you're getting the best possible experience. It even upscales lower resolution content to look its best on the 8K screen. Pretty impressive stuff. Of course, all the smart features you'd expect are here, too. It works with Google Assistant and Alexa, so you can control it with your voice. You can stream all your favorite shows and movies, play games, and even browse the web. It's basically a giant, super-powered smart display. So is it worth the price tag? Well, 8K TVs are still a premium product. But if you're looking for the absolute best picture quality and a truly immersive viewing experience, then this TV is definitely worth considering. It's a serious investment, but it's also a serious piece of tech. I'm absolutely blown away by this TV. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.